Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix lag spikes and stuttering in OSU. So first of all, open up OSU and then press on this little icon here and go to options. Right? And once you are on the options, then go to renderer. Make sure that is on renderer is on optimal, as you can see here, and also select compatibility mode. And also on layout, make sure that resolution is on native, which one you have the native on. And also in the, if we scroll down here, we can see that there is a, where it is, here on detail settings, make sure you select only hit lighting and shaking sliders. And after that, after you tweak these settings, go back on your desktop here, open up Task Manager, and here you should find OSU, right click on it, and then go to, as you can see here, you need to go to details, and then you need to set priority to high. And once you do that, then the next thing that you can do here, first of all, you need to update your operating system. To do so, you need to make sure that you're running on your operating system the latest drivers. Just right check for updates and here install the drivers if there is some. And also then you need to basically update your GPU. So for example, if you're using NVIDIA, you can open up GeForce Experience, go to drivers and basically update your drivers to the latest version, right? And by clicking this button. And after that, what you need to do here next is to click on your, right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, go to manage 3D settings, program settings, and find OSU and add here. And then you need to queue the GPU should be on your basically graphic card here should be selected, and then power management mode should be on prefer maximum performance, and then texture filtering quality on performance, and also your VSync is on off, and apply changes, and then process. And then what you can do here next is to open up your graphic settings, press browse, and here you need to basically go to your computer, your local disk where you basically put your files here, OSU files, then users, then you need to go to your computer name here, and then you need to go to app data, local, and then you need to find OSU and add this application here, and go to options and make sure you select high performance here. And the last thing that you can do here, you can delete temporary files. So maybe you have some cache files that need to be deleted. So what you need to do here is to just write delete temporary files, as you can see here. And then this option should appear, then temporary files. As you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds and then press remove files, right? And that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and it should fix lag spikes and stuttering on OSU. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.